Why we are here in Cologne today? Not to visit the biggest cathedral in Europe, and not to visit one of the longest rivers in Europe. Why we are here?
We're going to find our locker.
2 years ago we came here, and we came here in one of these bridges, which is famous because there are a lot of lockers inside. Lockers made by couples, of course. The whole bridge is fulfilled by lockers made by couples, and we did the same 2 years ago. Now our goal is to find our locker. Will be really hard to find our locker here.
Hey, amore, I
What?
think it's in the end of the bridge.
You remember was at the end, right?
For sure. And it's so difficult because it's the same color
As everyone.
everyone, yeah.
And was 2 years ago.
It's it. I'm so excited.
I don't think we're gonna find it. Let's try. If we find it, our is real love. This bridge connects the two sides of the river, so it's pretty long, considering that the river Rhine is one of the largest in Europe, and maybe could be millions of lockers here. Fun fact about this locker: when we hang it here, we close it and we throw the key on the river in order that no one will open it again. This should be the spot because we remember was at the really beginning. Which color was?
What's red?
Was red, so we are looking for a red locker. Put it here 2 years ago with our names and perhaps also the date, no? Did we put also a date? You find it? You find it? Oh great, we found it. Should be this, no? Oh yes, it's exactly this.
Oh my god!
Wait. It's Kimberly and Simone, 11 December 2019.
Oh my goodness!
Wait, yeah. Oh great, we found it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And I still have the same girlfriend after 2 years.
The future wife, actually.
Wow. When we hung this locker 2 years ago, we said that we will be back here. We will look for it and we will find it. And we did it. We find it.
We found it! Oh my god! So what is the point of this video?
The point of this video is that after 2 years,
We're still together and we're going to marry.
and we are going to marry.